Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build this truck over here. I already decorated it all. So I'm going to take off the wheels like that. It's easy to take off, it's easy to build. Okay. I think this is good enough. So here are the four wheels. There's four wheels. Okay. And then I'm going to stack things on over here like that. Just gonna put them on already, and then I'll stack it on the car. So it's in order place. Just my friend Pack is. Friend Pack is just sleeping. Pack is sleeping. Don't make me wake up. Okay. Ah! Ow. And then once we're done with that, we will just stick it on. And the opposite of open is the opposite of close. The opposite of closed, the opposite of closed is open. So I'm gonna do the opposite of big is small. So I'm gonna put the opposite of big is small like that. This is a really good time to make this happen. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I need to stick this on very good. Okay. I need this to happen very good. So it's really hard to stick. You know that? It's really hard to stick on. Okay, wait. Mommy, can I stick this? So here it is. Thanks guys for watching. Maybe you want to subscribe. Do you want to subscribe? Or you don't want to? You don't want to subscribe? Okay.